Conjugation in German is called as Conjugation. I am repeating, this is called as Conjugation. So, ish, we have done this already in the last lesson plan. Ish is I, do is you. This capital Z is you formal. As yes or man. Man means one. The one who is standing there is my father, right? In English, we do refer that. So one is being referred as man, which is again the third person. As yes, he, she, it. Wir is we, you plural. Informal. It's ear with a capital I and they all is small z with a small s. Now the endings. What you need to do. Lernen is the verb. I'm opening the notepad and explaining you on the notepad. Let's say I'm writing all these on one side. RZS, then wir, ihr, and z. Now ish. The verb that we have to conjugate is lernen. Lernen means to learn. So, how you conjugate? First, cut this en and only write this lern everywhere. In front of each personal pronoun, we are going to write it. The way you see it on your screen, please write in your notebooks in the similar format. Now, in ish, we always add additional e. So it will be lerner. Final answer is lerner. Similar way in do, we add st. So it will be lanced. In capital Z, we add en. So it will become lernen. In the similar way, this en is being added in the small z, which is they all plural, and wir also, which is we all plural. In the RZS, we just add one letter, which is T, and it will be land. Here also follows the same format. T addition, and final answer is LERNT, lamb. Please note this in your notebook as it is the way it is shown on the screen. Please note it. It is very important. Coming back to the slide. You have to conjugate now spielen, kommen, and wohnen in the similar format. You can use highlighters or sketch pens to highlight these endings. You have to learn these endings also, which is very important. So I'm giving you 2 minutes and please complete the learning as well as conjugate below 3 verbs. Now, if you are done learning, then you have to conjugate. You can pause the video. And once done, you can continue the video. Here is the answer key. Spielen, kommen, wohnen. And with ish, see, we have added e endings. In du, it's st, so it will be ich spiele. Please repeat after me. Ich spiele. Du spielst. Sie spielen. Sie spielt. Wir spielen. Ihr spielt. And sie spielen. Similar way, kommen is the verb. Ich komme. That means I come. Du kommst. Sie kommen. Es kommt. With a T ending. With as, we always add a T ending. Wir kommen. Ihr kommt. Sie kommen. Wohnen means to live or to stay. So, ich wohne. Du wohnst. Es wohnt. This capital Z will be wohnen. Wir wohnt. Wir wohnen. Ihr wohnt. Sie wohnen. Please match the spellings and give yourself the marks. And you have to learn your mistakes. Whatever the takeaway is from your mistakes in the verb conjugation, please learn it properly. Moving further, another very important verb, which is haben. What is haben? Haben means to have. Like in English, we use a lot. I have, you have, he has, she has, we have, they have, it has, right? So, in the have verb, there is a slight change happening at each personal pronoun. So, it's the same case in German also. So, haben is the verb. Please note in your notebooks. Haben means to have. I have, ich habe. You have, informal. Du hast. Capital Z is haben, which is you have, formal note. RZS, all three will come here, and the conjugation is not hat. It is not hat, please. It is heart. Heart is the verb hat. Wir haben, that means we have. And ihr habt, that means you all have. I will be capital in this. Please note this, write in your notebook. Moving further, we'll cover one more important word, which is sein to be. In English, we do say I am, you are, he is, she is, they are, you are. So in German also, we have this verb sein verb, which means to be. The conjugation will be ich bin. What is the name of verb? I'm just typing for you, so that you don't get confused. It is sein. We say it as sein, which means to be in English. So it will be like ich bin. Du bist. Capital Z, sind. And this sind will come also under wir and small z, which means they all form. Rest as will always be ist. Ist is in English. And ear also will always be Zaid. It is a new word. Don't get confused. Zaid. You have to learn the spelling properly. These are the exceptions. We cannot follow any rule in these. Going back to the slides now. English translation is also written for your reference. I request you to please refer it.